Hello guys, today I'll show you how to set the cursor speed in laptop. Click on here, click setting, click on device, click on mouse. So this is the cursor speed. So when you, on the left the speed is so very slow. I try to move my mouse very fast, but the cursor on the screen is working very slow. But when you move here to the right side, the the cursor is working very fast, you see. And when you click on this, the selection primary button, meaning this on my mouse is on the left side, but if you click on this, everything, this is I click on my left side, so it doesn't work, but I click on the right side, so it's work. Yeah, so the primary will work on the right side. Yes, so I click on the right side, yeah, it's work. But now the primary button is on the left side in your mouse. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.